that was impressive? Welcome everybody to the Defender Octa and welcome to PowerDrift. This is a Dakar-ready car for the street. A car that can do that on tarmac, but it really seems to come alive when you want to do that everywhere else. God, this is the first super SUV that I have driven that does the same thing on tarmac and on grass with the same brute force, power and brutality. And this is what happens when Land Rover decides to stop being civilized. We could make this a purely cinematic review, but then some of you naysayers will become keyboard warriors. So you want facts? Here you go. 635 horsepower M5 derived engine, but it's not a hybrid, just twin turbos. And it's not only about power, that's easy. You also have a faster steering rack, 20% faster. You also have the absolute cutting edge of suspension active damping technology combined with brand new air springs. And if you were an active viewer or an active binge watcher of, you would want me to go on and on and on about technicalities. Still, we all get old and flaccid. But let me make this simple for you. You could take that because it has enough tech underneath. You can throw in some safety equipment and take it to the start line of the Baja 1000 or the Dakar-ready, and you would be competitive. Is that a simple enough explanation for all of you? To enjoy superior performance from SUVs like the Defender Octa, Castrol's Edge SUV engine oil claims 80% improved high load performance. This advanced fully synthetic oil is BS6 ready and enables more power and more acceleration on demand. This isn't just a car. This is like playing Grand Theft Auto in real life with number plates. This thing redefines routes. It gives the middle finger to Google Maps, and it does all of this while making me feel like Sebastian Loeb. The old Defender made you look like you ran a safari lodge. The new Defender, well, in the standard form, makes you look like a Bollywood superstar or a politician if you have one in white. But if you drive this, you're a kingmaker. And while the world is making SUVs to please your in-laws, friends and car spotters, this wants to punch a hole through that mountain sideways. This isn't for soft-roaders. This will scare my daughter. This is the new definition, the global definition of attitude. It's like Stone Cold Steve Austin and D-Generation X had a baby and then they put it on 4 wheels. The only thing I would change, the only thing I would skip out on is the forged carbon. I never was a fan of it and I never will be, ever. It's obscene, it's overkill, it makes absolutely no sense. And that is why I love it. Is it practical? No. Is it affordable? No. Is it sensible at any level at all? No. Do I want one? The absolute unequivocal opposite of no. This car is a giant middle finger and a giant to compromise. I don't think I've had this much fun in a car in a very, very long time. This isn't the best Defender yet. This is the best SUV I've ever driven for doing true SUV things. I really do hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. At PowerDrift, we believe in more power, more drift, but this time with a lot less civility.